Starting today after abuse can feel impossible. How do you trust again? How do you know you're ready? Let's talk about it. I'm Coach Nia Renee, and I'm here to help you navigate the journey from surviving to thriving. In this video, we're diving into intentional dating, the secret to building meaningful, healthy relationships after abuse. But first, let me share the framework that makes this transformation possible, the Battered Hearts Rising Blueprint. Remember, no matter where you are in these phases, they all contribute to healing and repairing your relationship with yourself. 3 phases. Ethereal awakening. This is about seeing the truth and recognizing the need for change. It's the mental clarity that sets the foundation for self-trust. Phoenix Rising. This phase focuses on healing and regaining strength. By reconnecting with your body, you build a sense of safety and empowerment. Heart Vision. Here you craft intentional, healthy relationships. The work you do in this phase is rooted in a relationship you've built with yourself. And today, we'll explore the final phase, Heart Vision. Let's talk about dating with intention after abuse and how it all starts with you. Know your non-negotiables. Get clear on your deal breakers. Knowing what you won't tolerate helps you avoid repeating the past and reinforces your self-respect. For a quick activity, write down 5 non-negotiables you might have in a relationship. 2, recognize red flags. Trust your instincts. Red flags often appear early, but they're easy to overlook if you're not paying attention. Recognizing them strengthens your trust in your relationship. Example, controlling behaviors or a lack of respect for your boundaries. And an action step, practice recognizing and addressing red flags immediately. Number 3, take your time. There's no rush. Focus on building a connection based on trust and mutual respect. Intentionality in dating is a reflection of the intentionality you've practiced with yourself. Example, be intentional about pacing the relationship and prioritizing communication. Dating after abuse can be scary, but it can also be empowering. Intentional dating allows you to create the love and life you deserve. The more intentional you are with yourself, the more you'll attract healthy relationships. If you're ready to take the guesswork out of dating, check out my Intentional Dating Workbook. It's a step-by-step guide to help you date with confidence. The link is in the description.